Is this video? Yes, it is. It's October 20th, 2012, and I'm G1 West, northwestern section. Down up here is the Rest Rock. Down there is the G1 West Graves, and just on the way onto the western meadow, we've seen this in stone cut. It is stone cut. You can see the chisel marks. Hard to depict, but they're there. So this is a view. And I guess if you go on from top of it, it would look like this. And to the back of it, facing the north. That's okay, Jeff. It looks like this. So it's a bird's head, basically, so I will term it the bird effigy G1 East, G1 West, western part, on this beautiful fall day in 2012. Shalom!